Hi, hello, welcome friends. I am Amala. Today in this video we are going to see an interesting thing, that is shortcut method for subtraction of mixed fraction. If you are new to my channel, kindly click the red subscribe button and the small little bell icon for notification. If you are ready, let's start. Friends, before getting into the subtraction, I have posted the link for the shortcut method to do addition of mixed fraction. Please see that video. Now we will go into the shortcut method for subtraction for the mixed fraction. Friends, the first number we have taken is 9 1 by 2 minus 5 1 by 4. In normal way we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, and then we will see the denominators are same or not, and then we will find the LCM, and then we will subtract, and then we will another time convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now we are going to see the shortcut method, and we are going to do in a quick time. Now we will start. The first step is subtract the two whole numbers. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Put 4 here and put the open bracket, and then write the proper fraction. 1 by 2, and then put the minus symbol, and then write the 1 by 4. Put the close bracket, and then now we need to find the LCM. We need to find the LCM because the denominators are different. The LCM of these two numbers are 4. LCM equal to 4. Friends, the LCM we have got is 4. Now the next step is we need to write the 4 here as it is, open bracket, and then what we will do to get the denominator 4 here, we will multiply the number with 2 so that we will get 4. We will multiply the 2 with the numerator and denominator. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. And the denominator we have got is 4. Now the LCM here is 4. And the denominator here is also 4. So that we need to write the numerator 1 as here. We need to put the minus symbol. And then we need to write the 4 here. And then when we minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And the 4 we need to write here. So the answer is 4 1 by 4. See how easily we have got. Now we will do another example to understand it more clearly. Friends, in this time we are going to see another step. So that keep watching till the end. The number I have taken is 7 1 by 4 minus 2 5 by 6. As I said, first we need to subtract this two whole number. That is 5. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Put the open bracket and write the 1 by 4 here. Put the minus symbol and then write the 5 by 6 here. Friends, what is the LCM of the 4 and 6? The LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. LCM equal to 12. What we will do to get the denominator as 12? We need to multiply the number, the 3 with the numerator and denominator. Now we will do. We need to write the 12 in the numerator, denominator, and then we need to multiply the 3 with the numerator. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 3 and put the minus symbol. In 6 tables, 12 will come in second term. We need to multiply 2 with the numerator. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Put the close bracket. The next we have got 5 minus 7 by 12. Listen carefully. We have got minus symbol here. When we done the first step, we didn't get the minus symbol. And then we wrote the answer straightly. Here we have got the minus symbol. So that we need to borrow 1 from the whole number. I am going to write the 5 as 4 plus 1 minus 7 by 12. we are getting 6 minus 5 by 12. We are getting minus symbol, so that we need to, it is like the second step that we do. We need to apply one another trait. That is, we need to borrow 1 from the whole number. So 6 we will write as 5 plus 1 minus 5 by 12. Friends, what is the difference between 5 and then 12? The difference between 5 and 12 is 7, equal to 7 by 12, and then write this 5 here. So the answer is 7 by 12. Friends, see how easily we have got the answer. See how big this is. Friends, you also practice this method also, so that you will also get this method very fastly and quickly. You can also use this method to do in the competitive exam, so that you can do it very fastly and you can do it correctly. In math, we need to do the sums correctly. Even though it is the largest sums, when we do in the normal method, it will be difficult for us to do it. You can use this method to do it fastly and correctly. Friends, there are only 2 tricks in the shortcut method. One is we will write the answer directly, and then another one is when we get the minus symbol, we will do one another trick. That is like this. We will borrow 1. See, we have got 6. I have borrowed 1 and wrote as 5 plus 1. We will write like this. Hope you like this method. Give your likes and comments to put more interesting shortcuts method, and don't forget to share it to your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye friends.